32 gang, what's good, man? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another video, man. And we got Turbo Joe in the building, the fastest G body in the Midwest, until I brought the Cutlass out. But now, you know,
me off the live.
They did.
Yeah, they kicked me off the live before. They got some slow ass big rim cars.
We got Turbo Joe over here checking out the Cutlass.
Yeah, I think it might have ended. They'll probably start it back up.
Brake squeaky as hell on here. Guess I gotta wear them down, right?
You're gonna get the interior done, right?
Everything, yeah. Yep. Gotta get the interior done. Look at it. Bro, this a project, a whole nother project. Shit.
No.
Told Turbo Joe line it up real fast. Get on his ass. Turbo, you the motor man. Decent setup. Not bad. It ride good as shit. Feel good.
Looks good. I like it.
Powered by the 392. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put the metal wheel wells in here.
Get some, yeah. Good one made.
Yep.
Make it look nice. Just clean it up a little bit.
Yep. Not bad,
looks
bro.
Good though. It just needs to be cleaned up. I mean, the motor looks good. Motor just got to be cleaned, and then clean it up in here a little bit. It's good.
Yep. I'm gonna let PC do all that shit.
It was a nice looking install too.
Yep.
So it's not like it was a shitty install. It looks nice.
Oh yes, Turbo Joe. Gotta pull these what you call this out? It's getting late.
Racing guys say you ain't got enough. you're Bruce. You ain't got enough.
Hey,
Dude said, tell that dude with the cornrows what he got said fast. Tell him buy a dunk.
Yeah, I don't want a dunk. I don't race. Tell them that. Catch me on the playground. That's where they can catch me at, playing around, just having fun, living life. Hey, Jerry, you got the what you call it, Jerry?
Huh?
You got the jump pack, cause I know one of these gonna need to be jumped.
All right, CJ, I'm gonna walk over there real quick because I got my car over there by Al.
Oh, you going to Al's?
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah,
I came to pick up my rims and I was like, where's CJ? Because I was talking shit, so I wanted to come.
I'm about to pull these out so I can shoot a video with them. Yeah, see which one the cleanest.
Now you're
all that. See which one I like.
Now you gotta figure out which one. You already know which one.
I'm keeping this one.
That's the one you like?
Yeah, it just ain't power, but I'm gonna get it switched.
Yeah, I mean that's
this the cleanest one than the other one. This one got leather.
And this one don't need to be painted.
No, this one clean.
Just buff it up and be done.
Yep, it got like 2 dents on the hood I seen, but that's about it. Or if I
okay.
Yep, you see right there.
Yeah, just a little spot.
They touched it up.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Yes, Sirski.
I know this is gonna start up. So.
Yeah, this one should start right up. I should have bought that one you had. You had the extra roof in there too, didn't you?
No, it was a hard top. It was just
if it was a T-top, you know I would buy that.
Yeah. You're anything that's T-top, CJ's buying it.
I want the T-top.
If it's T-top, CJ's buying it. Till we get stuck in a rainstorm, he's gonna wish that motherfucker was a hard top.
It was a hard top.
All right, I'm walking over by Al.
Okay.
I'll talk to you guys.
You good. You can come out.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Little bitty small car can fit.
Alright guys, which one y'all thinking, man? We got Hurst, number 1.
warehouse, man.
Oh, so fresh. Oh, so clean. We're gonna let it run. We're gonna let it run. We probably gonna have to jump.
Which one? That first, the second one?
Probably. I don't even know. I don't even know if I got the keys for it. Yeah. Now I got the tag. Yeah, I think this one I'm gonna have to jump. Sure. That ain't the key.
Hurst number 2. Yeah, see it right there. Hurst number 3 back there in the back. Sounds good.
We got Hurst number 3 back there running. It sound like it wanna kick the bucket on. I just gotta find it. Pretty sure this one got to get done. Hey, this the one Buddy brought, man. None of them cleaner than this one. Y'all can.
We need a brand new key hook for these cars, guys.
Keys? The hell keys this to? Oh, this was the key right here. This gotta be the other Hurst.
The one that's next door?
Hurst.
Take them black ones just in case.
What black?
The one with the string on it, just in case, yeah.
No, these to the body, right?
Yep, yep.
What's this? Oh.
The red key.
This probably is. Now I got too many keys, guys. We definitely got it. This one.
Out of control. Still not working, huh?
What the hell this one tuned in?
What about that yellow one over there next door? The yellow car that's sitting over there. You got two other cars over there. That's right, we got them at the house. That's that one at the house.
This is crazy. I ain't got no more keys, guys, so I don't know.
We didn't give Miguel one, did we?
After this. Right here. I don't even remember the video. I thought it was this one.
Yeah.
Cause ain't nothing else, man.
If that steering wheel is locked, you got to turn it, get it unlocked. If it's locked.
No.
The keys to it, but we'll find them somewhere.
Alright, hey man, I gotta see what's going on, cause shit, I don't know where the key at to this one, so we're gonna figure it out. As last second, I found the key. I had the key on me. This one, I knew we had to jump. This one looked like a new battery in there too. Might not be though. It looked like they put a new, what is that, starter?
Lighthearted.
Motherfucker clean. What you doing, bro? You got him on the right one?
There you go. Yeah.
Trying to set me up, take me out?
Boom. No, it ain't going nowhere.
Yo ass.
We good. Heck yeah, sounds good. That's your thing. Hurst number 2, guys. They trying to run lawsuit Jerry down, man. On his chain. Let me put this down real quick. That's a big old heavy battery back there. Y'all see it? The number 2.
They ain't washed up. Hey. See, Jerry, how we looking?
I think it's time to get them all on the road, that one.
Pawn shop, Jerry.
I think it's time to get them on the road. I'll take one.
Huh? You ain't taking my shit to the pawn shop. No, Sirski. Can't let them do it.
Take it for a crew.
Can't let them do it. I'm gonna have to handcuff your arm to the steering wheel, buddy. All right. So do we got the keys to that one? I had them, but I don't remember which one it was. Shit. Keys. Them tags. I gotta use them tags. All right, it's this one. Well, having 3. I don't know. I actually got 4, but you know we ain't gonna show the gray one. That's an outsider right now. Let's start right up on your ass. Yeah, this one be making a stupid sound with the damn seatbelt. Some shit. Hey man, what you stealing?
What's that?
What you putting in your pockets, man?
Now I'm putting the screws on the table.
Yeah, nah.
For the license plate.
I know ain't nothing else missing.
Well,
Ain't no more keys missing.
The car's in here.
Hey, move Susie from over there.
Susan?
Yeah.
What, mine?
Yeah. Jerry, I caught him, y'all. He in there stealing. Tight. Tear y'all Escalade up, y'all gonna kill me. Got it. 3 the hard way. Man, it sucks. I got caught at night. Right when I wasn't trying to. All right. The show must go on. Gotta show y'all the grind no matter what. All right, guys. 3 the hard way, baby. Which one y'all taking? The 83, 15th anniversary. The 83 15th anniversary. Or the 83 15th anniversary. Now let's go along, man, and see. Yep. A lot of paint spots on that one. Clean. This one too. They all got the Oldsmobile. They all got the badges. Hoods. Got some little pins. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't see them little pins in this one. This one ain't got them little pins. This one don't either. It's just smooth straight up and down. It got the antennas. Check out the wheels. This one. That one got the same wheels. That one got a Hurst cap on it. A red line. What y'all think, gang? Marker faded on the side on this one. Chipped up. Low bubble on the dash. Not bad. Got the leather inside on this one. Actually, the leather pretty clean in this one too. I'm about to get the interior done on these. I noticed something with the leather ones. I don't know if they put them on here, but both of them with the leather got this Hurst Olds on them. I like the wheels. I like the red stripe. Back needs to be replaced on that one. Got these ass cheeks back here. 3 of them. Oh, look at this one. This one got the Oldsmobile sign. Hurst 15th anniversary. That one tinted. Back window. Hold up. Oh yeah. Looked like they had painted it black. It ain't as clean as these two. Look at these two in the window. Black, clean chrome in the back of these two. That one looked like it's been painted. See? Yep. Back of these two, immaculate. Bumper's good. Exhaust. See, this one got it too. Might just be a sticker, but the one without the leather don't got it. The T-tops on here. Look at the T-tops on this one. Everything lined up. Super clean. T-tops on this one. Pretty clean too. Yep. Got a little piece, but it's right here that connects. Check the other one. See, the problem with this one is I think it looked like they tried to paint the shit, then tried to take it off. That's what they tried to do. Got a little bubbling right here. Body work for paint. T-top's pretty solid on all of them though. On this one too. Yep, T-top's cleaner than a beat. See that is, no, I got it. Right here. Check the inside of this one. Stupid clean. They all got clean interior, guys. This one just got that cloth. Everything power. Dumb clean. Look how clean it is. leather, baby. Check engine light on this one though. Haha, I can't pass emissions. Good thing we don't need emissions. Which one y'all taking though? Y'all taking the 83, the 83, or the 83? This window's down. See how clean they is. Do a little sound test. I know I got it running, so it's probably gonna be in the video. But hey, man, y'all don't want to hear. Y'all hear me every day. We want to hear how clean these, how good these sound. Jerry in there stealing. I gotta keep my eye on him. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta keep my eye on him, bro. Why he roaming off and we over here? Jerry, what you stealing, man? Keep my eyes on you. Got my eyes on you, bro.
What?
I got my eyes on you.
You ain't gonna put your eyes on me?
Yes, I do.
What am I take? Gonna put the car on my shoulder and drag it up out of here?
No, you might be over here stealing some keys. Then try to act like I lost them and help me find them. You know how stealing people do.
No, I'm not gonna take it.
No. Got my eyes on you.
It's my car. I can't take it. I think guys still want the cars and find them. Come on, put in the comments. Let me know.
Getting dark out. Maybe I should switch my camera settings. But we got enough light. Listen up, guys. Just try number 3, see what it sounds like, guys. 2 or 3. I think number 2 got it. Knock it down in the comments. Number 2. Number 2, right? Yeah.
2 But the ones that don't sound good, I take it.
This one,
That one sound way better.
best.
Yeah.
This one sounds good too. This one got flow master. This one definitely gotta have an exhaust on it too right here. I think it do. It definitely do. Alright guys, I gotta get a thumbnail real quick. No, we ain't really get to do a lot, but you know, in the summertime, once the cars come together, I'm gonna definitely have them out. Y'all gonna be seeing these three around a lot, and y'all gonna be seeing content on them a lot. I mean, we just got a lot of content, man. We just got a lot of stuff going on right now. So, man, a lot of content coming. A lot of content, guys. These cars, a lot of content. Already got the wheels being, I'm gonna have 2 sets of 24s coming, and with the, they're gonna be machine and brush with the back lip red. I wanted to do 26s on the one I'm keeping for me, but I don't think I can do it, because you can do it, but then you gotta remove that piece, and I don't want to remove that piece, the air dam. But it's probably called something else, but I call it like the air wings for everything to flow. Like, this shit costs $5,000 to get this piece right here. It's part of the, it's covering up the bumper. You know how them don't got it, these do. The Hurst got it. All right, we're gonna, let me see, man. All right, we done that. We see how that one was. Basically, go for clean, clean it, clean, clean. Clean it, clean it, clean. Basically.
Yeah, checked it out. That's number 3, guys. What y'all think about that one? Man, I like the way that tire smell. Soak it in some water over there. Y'all see Miguel outside today. Get some light on this building. Number 1, guys. Looking good. Yep. Check out that clean bad boy. That's mine. That's coming home with me right there.
Roll my window up real fast for y'all ass. Guys, I gotta roll them up. But check it out. If you haven't already, guys, the 4th car has entered the giveaway. So the 4th car is in the giveaway now. Make sure you get your tickets. Look how good that black one is.
I know.
It's gonna be some more crazy CJ on 32's giveaways coming up for the next giveaway. I'm refreshing everything. Y'all don't even look at them 3. Like, that's out of the question. But yeah, Don't look at my old schools. Ben's probably gonna go. I just gotta take it and get it serviced and get whatever happened up in I ain't drove it since. Damn, I gotta look for my grill. My $50,000 Johnny Dane grill I lost there.
Wow.
But yeah, half of this garage now is gonna be filled with old schools, guys. So new school era, we done it, we conquered it. We're gonna get busy with the old school. Yeah. Let's see what Hurst do. Oh man, matter of fact, let me keep track of these keys right now.
Yeah, in your pocket.
Gary over there, he talking about my pocket, but y'all know pockets, man, you gotta get searched when you leave.
No keys to the cars. Man, that was it right there. Number 2. Look at all that smoke going on here. Ooh, I can smell it tough too. Check out the walls. Look at that. Check out the wheels. And you know, we don't burn rubber inside the clubhouse, guys. He did. He's hurting the cars. You good right there? Yeah. Plenty of room. Yeah, guys, so these 2 cars is not for going up for raffles.
Yes, Sirski! Hurst number 2 down. Let's see what Hurst number 3. Y'all heard the supercharger in that one, right?
He said supercharged.
Supercharger in that one, right? Imagine what this one do right here.
Sounds good. Running good. Warmed up.
This boy been stored. Put him. Turn the headlights on, y'all.
Shit. Oh yeah. What y'all think, guys? Come on now, lock it down in the comments. Let me know what's going on. Thought these cars gonna be a piece of junk, but they not. They ready. They ready. My 2010 wanted to do that. Beautiful. Lights work, guys. CJ gonna tip the cars, guys. He about to slide all over the place. Check it out. On the ground. Not good.
How much back?
straight back, you good. Unless you want to keep it there. Either way.
Look, I ain't even gotta look, guys.
Oh, you gotta roll up the windows. No power.
Yes, sir.
So all 3 cars, no powers?
No, this the 2 got roll up, and I think one got the one with the cloth got power.
Okay.
Everything.
Now you gotta get no, that's not going in here.
What'd you say?
I thought the other black car gonna go in here. I forgot about the Cadillac truck.
Yeah, Escalade. Put that Cadillac truck in, guys. Wait, we got the Cutlass. Man, so hey, 32 gang. So which one y'all taking, man? Y'all taking the 83, the 83, or the 83, or the 84 back there? Yes, sir. Y'all gotta get in the comment section, man. Y'all gotta let me know. I'm about to put the Cutlass up right now. The gray one with the Estro. That got clean interior too. I ain't show it to y'all though. I really wish I could leave my damn Cutlass in here, but I can't be leaving the giveaway cars on the other side, so gotta put it over there and figure out. I gotta make room. That's all I gotta figure out. But I'm gonna holla at y'all guys on my way to the crib, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Just let me know which one y'all taking though. This is actually a funny video, and I had every intentions on planning it that way. 32 gang, y'all know what it is. It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back. One of my biggest giveaways yet. Giveaway number 40. We got these 3 Escalade trucks, and we got a 4th car that we giving away, but I'm not gonna show y'all yet. We gonna drop that in the middle of the giveaway. So right here we got this crazy midnight blue. This ain't black. Big shot eyes. Midnight blue Escalade with the 30-inch Forgiatos. We got the gold over chrome, the chrome lip, big cap. Check out this interior. You got the TVs in the back, and you got the Reese's. This ain't even, this a dark brown. That ain't even black either. You got the screens right there. This the lowest mile Escalade. We can go over here to the highest mile Escalade, this white one. A lot of people love this combination right here. You got the pearl white. PPF in the front, sitting on a 30-inch. Forgiato twisted Magnias. Red brake calipers. Simple interior in here. I'm gonna show y'all from the back. You know what I'm saying? Black. With the cream piping. Nice Escalade right here. Right here we got this one. This just clean. Like this super clean right here. You got the silverish gray brushed Forgiatos, chrome lip, and check out this interior. This interior on here nasty too. Light brown, dark brown, brown wood grain. You got the screens in the back. All the Escalades got big sunroofs, big 30s, man. The other car is sitting on 24s. Like I said, that's coming in the middle of the giveaway. It's easy. You want to enter my giveaway? That's shop32gang.com, shop32gang.com. Anything you buy or purchase off the website automatically enter you into the giveaway. Once again, anything you purchase or buy off the website automatically enter you in the giveaway. Which one you taking, man?